Do not market the $7 course. And I'm not going to create these 7-second clickbait videos telling you to go to a website to make $50, $60, $70 an hour when it's just a rabbit hole that I went down myself. I would never do that. Now, I do market a course. It's a course that's going to teach you and educate you on how to build a business online around anything you are passionate about. Now, I do market that course because I love the course and I feel like it has so much value for anybody who wants to apply it to their brick and mortar, or someone who wants to resell the course like I do, or maybe you want to market whatever you're passionate about. You can do this by going through that course and actually going through the course and learning high income skills like building out a sales funnel, setting up your stand store, creating an email campaign. Maybe you want to market it on Pinterest, or maybe you want to create a Canva digital guide. This course is going to show you and teach you everything you need to know. Not only that, guys, if you watch me, I'm also going to show you how to do TikTok shop. I'm also going to show you how you can earn reoccurring commission, because that is truly what is a game changer when you earn reoccurring income. And guys, I have an amazing opportunity that is getting ready to launch in April. You only have to invest $59 a month. Think about it. Just for a week, for 5 days out of the month, stop buying the Starbucks. Stop buying the crazy expensive lunches at your job. $59 a month can give you reoccurring income, time freedom, financial freedom, and it's also going to allow you to get discounts on traveling. I am building that list. I'm putting people on that list who are ready for an amazing opportunity. And if you want me to add you to the list, you can comment ready below, or you can go to my stand store, jump over in the group, get into my group, comment there that you're ready to be on the list to learn all about this amazing income opportunity that is going to earn you thousands reoccurring every month. And guys, it's only going to run you $59 a month. So if you are ready to ditch your job, live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of without stressing over creating crazy videos all the time, this is for you. Make sure you save this video, share this video, and comment ready in the comments.